Well, I have the kitchen track light in. I have it on a awesome dimmer switch over here. I have it on the low setting. So maybe if, any company over, they're not, busting their stuff. I also got the front light as well on a dimmer switch. So it's on the lowest setting right now, as you can see. So this is for the hallway here. I had to jerry rig it over here, but I will get that all figured out in a little bit here. Light turned on. But I'll show you what it looks like at full power here. I still have to clean up a little bit. This thing broke, even though they say it's unbreakable, but it fucking broke. This little faceplate here. Let me get out of the way. That faceplate broke, so I gotta buy a new one. But I'm gonna get another switch for this. This is just kind of a intermediate. I'm not gonna mess with it. The outside works again because I had a broken wire and nothing was working, not even the outside lights. So this is the master switch over here where it will dim and brighten everything. So if you hit this little side button up and hold it, it'll go all the way up to full power. That's full power right there. And for the kitchen, full power right there. And if I turn off this light, which the kids turned on, the whole kitchen is lit up. Not like before, the whole kitchen. So you can see everything. Light actually comes into the living room here. So even with a half setting, still fairly bright. And you just press it, it'll dim off. Press it again, it'll go back to half setting, dim off. So for this one, I'm going to keep it on half. Maybe about there. So if I press it, since it's close to the lowest range, off, on. And that's, I'm going to keep that as the lowest setting. So it's not full power, and I'm going to save on electricity here. But I got to get another inner three-way switch. Kind of jerry-rigged the old three-ways to work with this new switch. But other than that, I love it. It's great. It's fucking awesome. Then at night, obviously you'll be able to see where the switch is because of the little indicator light. So when it's off, you'll see just the little indicator. And when it's on, you'll see the little orb. But yeah, that's it. I'm done for this weekend. But man, they messed that up big time. Huge hole.